Hello and welcome to Affiliate Marketing Academy channel. Thanks for your time and watching this video. I'm sure you're looking for or interested to know about the Canva. It's a great tools. And so for this reason, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva for your affiliate marketing in 2020 as a free marketing tools. So let's dive in and see what is possible. Okay, this is a Canva, so it's like a free tools. And just let me just show you. Okay, Canva, just type it in, enter. And okay, canva.com. Okay, but it goes to my account. Let me go to Cognito, show you. Canva, okay. You can just click to this and just go. You can create your free account. Oh, sorry, what happened? Okay, this is a Canva first page. So just you need to go sign up for free. Doesn't cost you anything. And then, okay, so and when you sign up, or something probably wrong. Okay. Or have an account already, sign up with email, or they ask you sign up with email or the Facebook, you can choose it. But I created my account. Okay, when you go to your account, it should be like this, and then ask you what you want to do. This is just before the start, this is a great tools I'm using for a few years. So it's one of the best marketing tools. You don't need to be very techie person or to know how to design. It's very simple and very powerful tool. Okay, I'll show you what you can do. Okay. So create a design. When you create a design, you have an option to, the first one, have a custom dimension like what design, or you could dimension it like here and what you want to design. Or also I messed up. And create a design. You can design your logo, your YouTube thumbnail or YouTube channel art. You got a Facebook post. You can do pretty much everything. Facebook ads, everything. Instagram post, look at here, video, everything. It's not very hard. For instance, okay, if you like the logo, design the logo, just press the logo, automatically give you dimension here. Okay, this is dimension. And then you can pick one of the logo if you want, or you can even add photos. In the left side, you see all the tools you have here for photo, use a photo, or you can design your your logo, bring one of this element. If you type it in, you can search it, or you can upload it, even upload your image, whatever you have, and create yours, or use one of this template. For instance, okay, if you have a burger shop, you can use this one. Change the background color, make it I don't know, just purple, or just make it black, and this is white. Or you can make this one yellow. Okay, or you want just another design, we go back and then save it. Or another one is YouTube. You can use it for your YouTube, your YouTube channel art or YouTube thumbnail. Okay, or Facebook post, YouTube thumbnail. You go here, automatic give you dimension, what dimension you want. Okay, you can choose one of the template if you want. This great template you can use for your business. Okay, like if you're doing yoga, you can use this one, but simply change your photo or put another one. Okay, like let me show what I have. Any image and myself, we can put another image. So I'll put this one, or you can put it in here instead this one, or I don't want to design. Or basically you can do anything you want. And when you finished, you type it in, add the text, add video, or change the background. And then what you need to do, go here, change the name, what name you want to do. Just make it like the test one, okay? And then download, okay? Click the download, or you can press or share the link. Okay, when you download it, make sure it give you a few options. The GIF, but do it PNG, give it better quality so you can use it in social media or website, YouTube, whatever you want. It's much better. Click PNG and download. Okay, and then here it's just open it, and beautiful. You created your YouTube thumbnail, and you can upload it in your YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed the tools and the training. If you like it, please give a like, or if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to notify for next video. Have a great day and see you next time.